Daddy and
Caller.
see if he picks up. Yeah.
What's up, yo? So I'm doing a segment called Do or Die.
Okay. Enjoying?
Yes, very much. So all you have to do is just say hi to everyone, that's all.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, this is Jinal Modi, and you're watching Showtime with Jinal Modi. And the guest for today is my dear friend Sanvi Sudeep.
Hello.
How are you doing, Sanvi?
I'm good. How are you? Thanks for having me.
Good. Thanks for accepting the invite. I mean, it's a pleasure to have you on our podcast as my first guest. This is my debut. Let's see how this goes.
Maybe second time's a charm. Let's see.
So, what's going on in your life?
We're all just celebrating. Max has just released. So I'm very happy. Everyone in the family is happy.
Yeah, I think the
Also,
fans are also really happy.
Yeah, they're extremely because a big, like, massy commercial film has come out after a long time. And only parties have been happening non-stop.
Crazy. That's mad, dude.
Yeah.
In India, the craze is just another level.
Immense. But you know, it's another feeling only when you know the person on screen and you can see how these people are reacting towards them. It's kind of weird, but at the same time,
Yeah,
cool.
So, you know, every time I watch these actors and superstars on screen and people are celebrating them, there's always a feeling that ye karna hai. Like,
Yeah.
this is something that we want to crack in
Yeah.
life, dude.
The journey together is something not a lot of people think about.
Before this, when we were having a conversation of you telling how hectic it gets, you wake up early in the morning, you sleep so late in the night, your sleep schedule is gone, food schedule is gone, everything's gone. So, you know, there are times when people don't realize that.
Yeah, they do.
Everybody thinks an actor's job or an influencer's job is pretty easy. You come and you talk on camera.
Yeah.
But so much goes behind that.
Yeah.
You come home after recording the entire day and then you come back home to so much hate.
Have you grown thick skin towards it?
I have. I think it's been a while since I've just stopped caring. Now, when I read a really harsh comment, it does affect. Like, what is making people do this? They're jobless. I'm not.
People to do it, so they're going to do it. None of those people are actually going to come in front of your face and say anything.
Exactly. What do you think about rocking star Yash?
I've known him for many, many years. I used to play with him as a kid.
So
He
cute.
used to come for my birthday parties and all. I think he delivers. He knows what he has to do to look good on screen and to get his films out there. Even now, even though there's been a long gap between the KGF franchise and whatever he's doing next, he still knows how to keep himself in like the buzz of the industry. And I think he's doing a great job.
Did you ever have a crush on him? I really want to know.
On my dad's friend?
I mean,
That is a very interesting question to ask.
see, I'm someone who doesn't know, okay, like this guy's like super old, but I've seen him in movies. So I have a crush on him.
Crush only on Siddharth Malhotra and Allu Arjun.
Dude, Allu Arjun.
I'm obsessed. I wore a Wildfire Allu Arjun t-shirt and I went to Vega City Mall and I watched Pushpa 2.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So you would have met him, right? So no?
No. I cry about it every day. I've not met the man.
You don't tell your dad, like, you know what, this is my birthday gift, take me.
Yeah, see, that's the thing. I would love to meet him once I've done something like so that he can recognize. Like he would know, okay, this is what she's done in life. I have spoken to him once as a surprise. My dad, like, he got him to video call on my 20th birthday,
That's so
and that
cool.
day only my soul left my body and it did not come back. I think I was in tears. I could not. My voice did not come back down. First of all, I woke up really early in the morning because he had shoot. And I came to answer the call, and I'm a very, very grumpy person in the morning. After I wake up 2 hours, nobody talked to me. But as I came there, I saw the phone, I was like, oh my God. I just walked off and I came, I was like, hi, sir, how are you doing? How's the Facebook push? I have never embarrassed myself more in my entire life. I low-key don't want to meet him now beyond this. I don't want him to remember me only. It was so embarrassing.
But you'll get there and meet him, like,
one day.
yeah, where he's like, I want to meet Sanvi Sudeep.
Yeah.
You're like, go to her. Like, I'll go to her house. I'll meet her, dude. Do you think South industry currently is doing better than Bollywood?
I think majority of the more commercial films in Bollywood are not doing as well, but they're doing very well in the South. And at the same time, the more sober films that are being made in Bollywood are running extremely well, but they don't work in certain industries in the South.
Yes.
I think, like, see, Malayalam films, Tamil films, now they know how to, like, touch people's emotions. They make very sober films also, and it works.
Yeah, a
Truly
film like
work.
Tumbad. Like,
Oh,
dude, that
movie was fantastic.
Yeah, it just set everybody's mind on fire.
Yeah, it did.
That movie was too good.
For a long time, Bollywood has overshadowed the South industries. But slowly, one by one, they've all come up. But it doesn't mean that the recognition that Bollywood stars have today has gone down. For us, it's working out now. For them, a lot of films are working out. Like, so many new films have come out on OTT platforms that families are watching, and
Yeah.
they're still getting that sort of recognition. But I wouldn't say the same for commercial films in Bollywood.
So as a Bollywood celebrity, they do an average film, but still they're recognized. So I'm talking about the people who already have it on their. I have not seen a remarkable movie that they've made. Still, they're always recognized. People are going mad for them.
Let me say the same about me. I've done a film here. I walk around anywhere, people come take
Yeah.
photos. It's just like that. You come from that sort of family.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean that you need at this point to make a remarkable. If I've seen Janhvi Kapoor's films, and she has acted to what she was made to do.
Yeah.
Like, she did a film called Gunjan Saxena.
Yeah.
She's acted remarkably in that. At the same time, I don't want to use this word, but nepotism, I'm also part of that. So I have not done anything. I have like 1-2 songs out. So people do recognize because you are part of that family.
Correct. And it's not wrong. A lot of people throw unnecessary hate. Like if you're a Nepo kid or something like that. And on a personal level, I feel like there's no need for that. Because you are not responsible for who you are. Like your identity is nepotism, making it hard for outsiders. What is your take on that?
I hate the fact that this word nepotism is used only in like the more bigger industries. It's the same. If your father is an engineer or he has a business, he passes it down to you. That is also
Really wanted
nepotism.
someone to say that, yeah.
Something they want their child to do the same thing. That's also nepotism.
Exactly. Only in the entertainment sector
Yeah.
being so highlighted.
Yeah. Because they think when you get such a luxurious lifestyle that everything is just handed over very easily to you. But see, then again, all parents work extremely hard to provide for their children. So if my own parents don't give me a platform to start, I don't understand. Even I've heard a lot of people saying, yeah, I've done this for myself, but I want my child to start from scratch. So I don't understand, why would you expect my dad to work so hard on this?
Only for you to start from
start from
scratch.
scratch.
Like,
He
how does that make
his
sense?
daughter, he wants to make life easier for
Exactly.
me.
You are responsible to live up to that expectation.
And every life that you see like this also comes with its disadvantages.
Ranbir Kapoor, the entire family tree is of nepotism, but everybody's talented.
So talented.
So talented. Like, are these kids who have made nepotism positive part, like this positive side to it going forward? Kannada industry has been known for its heartfelt romance movies like Googly, Mungaru Male, and now we're leaning towards action-packed movies.
Yeah.
What do you think about this? Do you think the romantic side of the industry is somewhere fading, or do you think it's good to have different genres?
See, I'm a big fan of rom-coms, definitely. I would choose a rom-com over an action film any day. But I don't think it's that people have lost. I think a lot of people want to get back and start making such, classic films again. It's purely based on luck at this point if you try to experiment and the film does well. You can never tell what is it that's going to run.
Definitely. I feel like 1 out of 10 movies are doing good, There was a time when every movie that comes on screen with a big star be a hit.
Yeah.
And now when you go back and watch these movies, it's a miss, honestly.
It is.
It was glorified.
Some of
for
them
a-
have really good storylines, but it can be the smallest, like the slightest problem in direction.
Exactly.
And they'll just make it into like, oh, it's a flop film, it's not going to earn.
When your movie doesn't do good, the amount of hatred. I remember when Shah Rukh Khan was in a period where all of his movies were doing bad.
Yeah.
Everything on social media was just negative about him. When people went to watch Race, honestly, I like Race as a movie. It's a good movie. Like, I'm not sure if you watched it, but that movie was not trolled.
So there are a billion people who like one film that you might not.
Let's talk about your qualifications.
Everyone has been asking me this question.
Yeah, because the world wants to know. Like,
Why does the world want to know what I have achieved in life?
what
Come
do you
to it.
study?
I didn't study.
Yeah.
I went to school, I didn't study. Same. That's doing this. No, but in all honesty, I will say today, I have never ever answered this question to anybody. But I studied till 10th here in Bangalore in a school called Primus. And then I shifted to IB curriculum in 11th and 12th in Oak Ridge in Hyderabad. And then I stopped. I can't study. After 12th, my brain was fried only. So I was like, anyways, I feel like if you're part of the entertainment industry,
Actually, dude, you should stop studying. Yeah, you should get into entertainment. Like, yeah, what will you study?
I did an acting course. I
Please
studied an acting course for 4 months in Hyderabad at Annapurna Studios. There, I spent 4 months, learned whatever I had to. Everything else you get with experience.
Exactly. In my home, it was never optional, but I wish it was.
Not saying
Better
don't
my
go to
degree.
college and all. If someone wants
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be doctor or do you can just wing it. I'm not false advertising. Yeah, same get trolled.
Okay, what inspired you to use music
I could feel myself like every time I listen to like a new song or a different genre or something, makes me like feel a certain type of way. And so, people have separate playlists for when they're sad, separate plays when they're working out. It like depends on your mood, right? After a point, I became so dependent on it. I couldn't study or draw or anything without music just playing in the background just to keep my mood subtle. And I used to keep humming along with it. I've been singing for as long as I can remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I was very shy and I never told anyone that I sang.
So when did you break it to your
Not
parents?
13. No, they knew. They always knew. But I would never, ever sing in front of them. Like, I would be so shy. My mom, maybe, to a certain extent, but my dad, no. Even if he asked, like, someone, please, I was like, no. I'm not going to sing in front of you. Until I was 13. He took me to a studio for the first time. And he made me record a cover of a Hindi song called Raate. It's a father-daughter song. It's Ajay Devgan's song.
Okay.
And we both sang it together. And I heard
That's
myself
such a
on a
bonding.
recording. Yeah. I heard myself on a recording for the first time. I was like, damn, I sound like that. I'm not bad.
That's crazy.
Finally got out of being shy.
But are you planning to also act like, will we see Sanvi in movies?
Yes.
Because that'd be great.
Yes, you will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you started working?
Yes. I mean, I'm not like working. So right now I'm more focused on self-grooming. Before I was sure in my head that I wanted to get into acting. There's a lot to think about. Obviously, it's a big career decision.
Definitely.
And I have such a big name to live up to. So it took a while for me to come to the conclusion that I wanted to be an actor. Because I have a lot of interest. I love to direct also. I write a lot of scripts.
Oh.
Music is there. And so there's something I want to try everything. But my main thing will be acting. But to get, before I got there, I was also extremely overweight at some point. So I was like, I know I'm going to take a long time to get there. So I took these years off. I'm like, I'll work whatever behind the camera. I'll help out dad. I'll do some music thing. Until then, I have to start my gym and like losing weight, skincare and this and that.
I feel like this is so important. Like, you have to take care of your health, your body,
Yeah.
and it does get pressurizing after a point.
It does,
honestly.
but then responsibilities are
responsibilities are
and
responsibilities.
It's not like I've been very disciplined about it.
Hmm.
I will go months also sometimes without stepping into the gym. Because one whole year I would have worked hard, and after that for a few months I'd be like, just everyone leave me alone. I'm going to eat.
You need
what I
that
want
way
to.
for
Yeah.
yourself.
I did. I'm not going to say that I've been very consistent. I'm definitely not. I'm also a little bit lazy only like that. But I know what I have to do, and I'll eventually get there when I'm
Definitely,
ready.
yeah. What genre do you think you would see yourself the most in?
So actually, this is something that even fans agree with, because I'm not someone who'd want to be someone's heroine. I cannot see myself do it. I have no disrespect towards it, but I just can't see myself doing it because I've been raised around. One father is there who's constantly bullying me. I have two older cousin brothers who have grown up around, so I automatically became like them only.
Like a boss lady.
Yeah. This is all that's upper shirt, but shoes, everything. I wear all his clothes, wear his perfume. Everyone knows that I'm practically like one replica of him only, sadly. But I like to like the kind of roles that he would do, whether it's a comedy or like in a massy thing. I would totally see myself doing something like that. But recently I had done a photo shoot and I had posted it on my Instagram. And everyone has just decided that they wanted me to be a villain opposite my father.
Yeah, dude, that'd be so good. Trust me, it'd be so good. Like,
So I decided, I was like, I love to be the bad guy. Most of the scripts that I write, also if I write something in my character, there's always some negative shade in it. I'd love to do it.
yeah, I think you and your dad, oh, that'd be mad, dude. Have you ever had a Bollywood celebrity encounter which you have remembered for years now?
My father did a film called Dabangg 3.
Everybody knows about it.
Yeah.
And superstar against one another. Have you met Shah Rukh Khan? Because
Yeah, I have.
Huh?